Hey guys, today me and Kyle will be showing you and telling you guys about the water cycle, how it works, and the little tiny details acquired to it. Sit back and relax.
Basically, what Nick means to say about details is the required elements: sun's energy, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, surface runoff, groundwater, lakes, rivers, and oceans, and perhaps later in the video, transpiration, aquifer, and the water table.
First off the start, I will be describing the water cycle. The water cycle is a continuous pattern in which water moves at a changed state above and below the Earth's surface.
Once you know what the water cycle is, let's get on to the things that actually go with the water cycle.
About today's precipitation. It comes in all shapes and sizes, like snow, hail, sleet, and rain.
Pretend that was rain.
Next thing I'm going to be talking to you about is condensation. Condensation is when gas turns into a liquid. See that save right there I did, kids? It turns into a liquid and it loses thermal energy. Like an example of condensation would be if you're boiling hot water and it touches the microwave above, let's just say you have a microwave above it, the stove, and then it absorbs the moisture and then it turns into a liquid and then it comes back down.
The next thing we're going to be talking to you guys about is runoff. So runoff is water from snowmelt and precipitation that flows over Earth's surface. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is groundwater. Groundwater is something that's water that seeps through soil and cracks through rocks. It is the source of springs and wells.
I know you all must be wondering why all of a sudden I'm sitting in a chair. Well, today I felt like a sir. I finally learned what the sun's energy is for. It's for, if there's a puddle on the ground outside, the sun's energy makes the puddle into evaporation, which forms into the clouds as precipitation and comes back down as hail, sleet, snow, or rain.
A word from Nicholas Sua Foundation, saving lives and saving suns. So after Nick's nice pep talk and classic pep talk after the sun's energy, we will now be talking about sublimation. Sublimation is the change of state from solid to gas without going through the liquid phase. That's pretty much it. Nick with more information about sublimation.
Also, sublimation is when, for example, an ice cube. If you put enough thermal energy or heat on an ice cube, it will evaporate, but without going into liquid form.
Yep. That's a word from Nicholas Sua.
The second last thing on our list today about the water cycle would have to be the aquifer, which is a geological formation of loose rock that is saturated with underground water.
Oh yeah. I'm the best rapper in the world.
Prove it.
I'm going to freestyle the next word that comes out of your mouth.
Water table.
Alright, give me a beat. Water table. Depth at which loose rock and soil below Earth's surface and saturated with water. It's the upper boundary of the aquifer. Water table.
Swag, YOLO, swag, YOLO, swag, YOLO, swag, YOLO, swag, swag, YOLO.
Swag.